Today, we'll talk about DevSecOps, deep dive into security practices through which we can convert DevOps to DevSecOps. Cloud and DevOps were the two things that were trending in the recent past. In fact, I must say that it still seems to be the thing of the present. When we talk about DevOps, we think of automation, continuous integration, continuous deployment, and faster time to market. In short, DevOps rocked. Cloud comes with a lot of advantages, yet it opens avenues for far more threats and we get less control over our data. Moving through the SDLC, let's see what developers think. What will the ops guys do when DevOps is all about no ops? The job of security guy is just to find flaws in your job. Still, it is shocking to see how big organizations and even government bodies often bear the brunt of security malpractices. Everyone agrees to the importance of security, yet the question arises who will maintain it? Everyone just passes the parcel. DevSecOps is all about efficient collaboration of Dev, Sec, and Ops throughout the SDLC. DevSecOps essentially means that everyone is an owner for security and we do not have to play the blame game or push it down the SDLC. Nearly all the security incidents that happened in the past were due to the customers and not due to the cloud service providers as Amazon Web Services or Microsoft Azure. According to Gartner, from now through 2020, 95% of security incidents in cloud will be the fault of customers and not the cloud service providers. The thumb rule of security is shared responsibility model. The custom-made clothing is better than one-size-fits-all clothes. The same analogy goes with security. The same model doesn't suffice the present generation threats. The umbrella of compliance is always increasing. Everyone's inbox must have been filled with changed privacy policies as a prelude to GDPR. The ongoing curve of DevOps consists of phases like planning, creating, monitoring, and adapting. Let us see how these phases can be integrated with security to make it DevSecOps. What best practices we should follow. This can act as a checklist for those following security and a good start for those planning to shift to DevSecOps.